Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. I am Kriti Chauhan from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today in this presentation I am going to show how to create a GIF file using a PowerPoint presentation. We are going to learn how to make GIF using the PowerPoint presentation. Today I'm going to teach you to make a presentation, convert this presentation into GIF. We are going to, I'm going to show an animated life of the frog. So we are going to start with a life cycle of the frog and we'll convert this entire topic into a GIF. Now each phase will be animated in one slide. We'll learn how to do this. So the first thing, this slide is quite a big one. So I'll reduce the size of the slide by going in the design tab. In the design tab, there is customize group. In the customize group, there is custom slide size. And from here, I'm going to select custom. And I'm going to reduce the size of my slide. I'll make it 22 width. And I'm going to reduce it to 19. I'll make it fit, and now this is the entire slide which I have reduced into a smaller slide. Now our topic is life cycle of the frog. So I'm going to put the title here, life cycle of the frog. Now I'll just align it in the center. This entire text area I'll align in the center. So I'll go in the arrange, align, center. Okay, the text I want in the center. So I have selected the text alignment. Now I'm going to, my first slide will represent only a frog. So in insert tab, in the image group, in picture section, I'm going to click on this device. Then I'm going to select the adult frog picture here. Insert. I'm going to resize this frog image. Place it over here. Then I'm going to, this is my first slide. It only shows the frog. Now I am going to duplicate my slide. So I press Ctrl D and I get the duplicate. Now in this slide I'm going to show that the frog is going to lay the egg. So the next thing, I will insert a shape. So with the shape I'll select this arrow curved left. And I'm going to reduce the size here. and I am going to change bit of the angle. Okay. Now I am going to insert the image of the X that is laid by the frog. So again I will go in the insert tab, image group, and I select the picture icon and this device X. I'm going to select the image of the X, resize it, so this picture is overlapping the previous image, previous shape. So I'm just going to select this picture, right click and send to back. Okay, here it is. So I'll just shift a little bit, make it more effective. If you want, you can change the size of a little bit. Okay. Okay, resizing is done. I'll make it little small because I have to add few more pictures. So let's do it. Okay, this is my egg. Here nothing is written, so I'll just put small text area. Eggs. I'll give it little bit artistic font. So let us select the font here. So the font has been selected, make it bold and little bit big in size. Okay. Okay. Now my eggs has been added. Now I am going to duplicate this slide again, second slide. Now this is my new slide. In this new slide I am going to add one more side of cycle here. So I'll just do what, I'll just select this image, I'll press Ctrl G, I'll get the duplicate of this image, I'm going to change the angle here. Little bit of adjustment, Now I'm going to add image here of tadpole. So now again I'll go in the insert, image group, pictures, and here I'm going to select tadpole, insert. So the tadpole image, resizing it. Okay. Just select, send it back. Done. Tadpole image is added. Now I'm going to duplicate this slide again. Done. Now after duplicating this side, I'm going to add the tadpole with the 4 legs. So again I'm going to duplicate the arrow here, change the position. Now insert tab, image group, pictures, this device, and now I'm going to add the tadpole with the 4 legs. Resizing it, add here. Again it is going to ask me, I'm going to put it back. Okay, done. Now same thing, I'm going to add a froglet section. So this thing I'm going to add in the later next slide. So I'm duplicating the slide again. Now here I'm going to put the same thing here. Again position change, little bit smaller. Now I am going to add the image of the froglet. So again I will go to the insert tab and I am going to select the folder, and from the folder I am going to add froglet, insert. Once I have inserted here, done, my image is ready. I'll just put this picture at the back so that we can see the arrow. Okay, the tadpole is done. Now I am going to add the final picture. In the next arrow I am going to put the final thing. So again Control D. Okay, now again I am going to duplicate this arrow. I just want to connect this arrow with the first image. So again Control D, and I am going to change the arrow flow. So again send back, sorry. Okay, now this is the entire life cycle. We have divided each cycle into one slide. Now these slides when get together, we will going to make a GIF. Now let's see how to make GIF. I am going to show you the first way in this presentation. I'll go into the file, I'll select export. Now this export feature have create an animated GIF. This feature is generally present in Microsoft Office 365 subscription or in 2019 version. So now I am going to select this, then I am going to select the size and the quality of my file. So let it be medium, because the larger file will be, the more the weight of the file will be. So we are going to select medium. Let it be 2 seconds or let it be 1 second, and then create GIF. Now I am going to write this life of the frog. I'll make this image life cycle of the frog. Now this is the name of a file. I am going to place it in the image folder. I'll delete the old one. Now save. Now this one animation has been created. Now let's see how our GIF is going to appear on the screen. So I'll go in the image folder. This is the image I have already opened. Now I'm going to select my GIF. This is my GIF. Now this is the entire GIF of the life cycle of the frog. Now this is a simple way I have shown you how to create GIF. There are many other ways. You can use the animations, you can use different slide and combine together like I have done. There are many ways you can create your GIF file, that is graphic interchange format, from the PowerPoint presentation. Now hope students you have understood how to create a presentation, how to convert your PowerPoint presentation into the GIF directly with the Microsoft Office. Okay students, in the last video, in the last thing we have learned about how to create GIF file using this PowerPoint presentation and convert directly into the graphic format. Now in this present I am going to tell you that I am going to tell you about how to convert the people who cannot use PowerPoint present latest version or who has the older version. We can from here we can convert a presentation into a GIF format. We are going to learn, that is we are going to learn how to convert the old version of presentation Microsoft Office, who's having the older version of Microsoft Office, we can convert in those versions also into a PowerPoint, into a GIF file. Now here the presentation we have already learned. Here is a set of presentation that we have seen, that we have created, we have already seen before. So here I am going to teach just to convert this entire slides into the GIF format. Now how to convert for them who do not have Microsoft Office 2019 version, they have the older ones. So what we can do here is, I'll first convert this entire slides into a image format. So the first thing I'm going to go into the file, I'll go into the save as. In this save as, I am going to go to the desktop. I'll first select the folder where I want to save my file. So here I'm going to create one more folder, say that image of the frog. Okay, now this presentation, now I am going to save this presentation here in this image of the frog, and first I will change the save as type. This is my save as type. I am going to change the save as type into JPG file interchange format. That means I am going to convert my slides into the image JPG format. So once it is converted, then it will be easy for us to convert into GIF file. Let's see how it is done. First let me convert this. Okay, open. Now I am going to convert, save, which is asking me which slides do you want to export. So I'll say all slides. Each of these presentation has been saved in separate file, and this command now done. Now my entire presentation has been converted into the GIF folder. So my folder is here on the desktop. This is my image folder. Now this folder has that's image of the folder. Now I am going to open this. Now can you see this entire slide 1 to slide 6 is in the JPG format. Now we need to convert this JPG into the JPG format into the GIF format. So how can we do that is, we can go to the website. Let us search things on the website. Okay, I am going to start with the Google search. Here I am going to write convert to GIF format. So here is that easy GIF. I am going to select here. So now you can see here there are many things, from video to GIF maker. I'll select here. Now here I am going to upload the image. Now I'll first select this image of the frog. Now entire slide I have selected. I have selected entire image. Now I am going to press open. Now here you can see upload. Now you can see all the files have been uploaded, and each files have some 20 seconds to. Now there are ranges from 1 to 5. Okay, see here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to convert it into a GIF format. So the first thing I will select how much time delay should be there. So I'll search, suppose I'll increase the time here make it 20-30 seconds. Okay, now I want to make it to GIF. Click over here to make it a GIF. Now you can see the entire preview of your GIF. Can you see it? So this is one of the way you can do your format in GIF. That means first convert your presentation into the image form, convert your entire presentation slide into the JPG format, and then through this website Easy GIF we can convert the entire JPG format into the GIF format. So here the set. Now I am going to, this is convert. Now I am going to save this file. Now my file has been converted. Can you see it is here? I am going to open it. Now can you see this is my GIF file which we have done using the PowerPoint presentation. Then this presentation is converted into the JPG format, and now into the JPG format I have converted into the GIF format using the Easy GIF website online. So this is the one of the way you can convert your presentation, you can convert the images or the slides into the GIF format. So students, I hope you have understood both the methods clearly. Hope you will do it on your own and try it out at home.